This is Dax and Tess. This little guy right here is Dax, and this little girl over here is Tess. They're 3-month-old domestic short-hair mixes. They're available for adoption here at the Humane Society of the Nature Codes. Say hi, little guy. Dax is a boy. They're too young to be spayed and neutered yet, so if you choose to adopt them now, a voucher will be provided for you. Hi, kitty. Oh my goodness. Hello. But they're very sweet. Again, this is Tess. If you're interested in adopting them, come on over to the Humane Society of the Nature Codes and either check our website or see if... Oh my goodness! Hi! Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. What's scaring you? Come on over and see him in the cat cottage. I love how he has like a dark eye. Bye-bye!